right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Chef Dom and Sean are playing hooky today, so it's just myself and my wife, Jerry Lee, behind the camera. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple Alfredo. Fettuccine Alfredo, it's the American version, and it's got some seared shrimp on it. It's absolutely delicious. Anyway, I thought this would be a great dish for Valentine's Day. Want to get a little romantic? This is the perfect dish, especially if you're working. Valentine's falls on a weekday, so who has time to come home and cook? This dish takes 30 minutes to make. All right, let's get cooking. All right, first thing we're gonna do is start our pasta water. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the salt. Don't be afraid to salt the water. It's gotta season the pasta inside and out. That's about 2 tablespoons per gallon. All right, now we're gonna go start our sauce. Real simple ingredients. It's just heavy cream, butter, cheese, and fettuccine. And right here we have some shrimp chilling that we're gonna go ahead and sear and just put it right on top of the fettuccine Alfredo. All right, first we're gonna go ahead and grate our Reggiano Parmigiana, or Parmigiano Reggiano. These distinct markings here show that this is the authentic Reggiano Parmesan here. So we're gonna go ahead and grate about a cup of this cheese. All right, now we're gonna start our Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 whole stick of butter. This is a 1/4 pound of butter. It's unsalted. We need to use unsalted butter for the recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and melt that down a bit. And by the way, I've got this on a medium heat.
Hope my doctor doesn't watch this recipe.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to eat butter anymore.
Well, a little bit is okay. You want to make sure that you do not burn the butter. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of heavy cream. Now, this is the Italian American version. The authentic recipe only has butter and cheese and a little pasta water. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add some white pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And now we're going to go ahead and let this come to a simmer. As you can see, the sauce has come to a nice simmer. I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt. Doesn't need much more than that because the Parmesan cheese has plenty of salt. All right, it's coming along real nicely. And you want to keep an eye on it. Do not put it on high because this cream will overflow and make a mess. So you want to be real careful. Keep an eye on it. Keep it at a low simmer. All right, pasta's ready to be put in the water. Now you want to be sure that your water comes to a full boil. Then we're going to go ahead and put our fettuccine in there. Got a pound of fettuccine. Now we're going to cook this al dente. If you don't know how to cook al dente, my last video is how to cook pasta al dente 101. I'll have that link also in the description. It teaches you how to cook pasta perfectly. Okay, I'm going to get my griddle hot. This is going to be for the shrimp. Now if you don't have a griddle, you can use a regular frying pan. That works perfect. We got about 5 minutes left on the pasta here. Now we're going to go ahead and start searing our shrimp. Now I went ahead and placed the shrimp on top of a paper towel to get the water off. You don't want to put wet shrimp on the grill because it steams it. First thing we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and salt and pepper these. Real simple. I'm going to go ahead and baste some olive oil on here. We're going to do both sides. That's one side first. Let's go ahead and place this on the grill. Now they just need a couple of minutes on each side. Salt and pepper them.
Okay.
Now you put the oil, this is a non-stick griddle, so
Got ya.
we're good. All right, just 2 minutes on each side and the shrimp will be ready. All right, the shrimp has been on here for about 2 minutes. All right, now we're just gonna flip these over real easy. When the shrimp get nice and pink, they're ready to turn. Beautiful. All right, pasta's almost ready. We'll be eating in no time. All right, Pasta is just about ready. It's got about 2 more minutes left. Before we drain the pasta, I'm going to go ahead and reserve about a half a cup of this pasta water here. And this is to help the sauce. If it's too thick, you want to loosen it up a little bit. This will make the sauce nice and silky. All right, looks like the shrimp is about ready. Okay, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon on there. Oh, it's beautiful. Shrimp is about ready, pasta's about ready, and we'll meet you right back by the sauce. The sauce has cooked down a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add the fettuccine. That cook in there for about a minute. Smells delicious. Check out these beautiful shrimp. Nice and seared. A great compliment to this Alfredo sauce. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan Reggiano. It's about a cup. We'll save that to top our pasta with. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Nice and creamy. Didn't need that pasta water, but I had it just in case. Let this finish off for about a minute. All right, pasta is ready. Better turn this off. Oh, look at that fettuccine, honey. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the shrimp. Now I left the tails on the shrimp just for presentation purposes. This is a special dinner, so you wanna make it special. Now we're gonna go ahead and just decorate your dish with the shrimp. Get that fit perfect. That was like 16 shrimp. All right. Now we'll top it off with some beautiful parsley and then some Parmesan cheese. All right, let's eat. All right, we're ready to dig into this feast here. All right, let me have your plate.
Sure. It smells so good.
There you go. Nice and creamy pasta. Shrimp right now. Have a little Pinot Grigio, which pairs real well with Alfredo sauce.
Or anything.
Anyway, let's give this a taste.
First, I have a little shout out to my beautiful little granddaughter, our first little granddaughter. It's her birthday tomorrow.
Oh.
Happy 10th birthday, Kyla.
Right. Happy birthday, Kyla. Wish you were here.
Yes, we miss you. Delicious.
That is absolutely delicious. I really like this version a lot better than the authentic. It's a lot better.
A lot better. It's a lot better. Pink.
We appreciate the subscribers. Happy Valentine, honey.
Love you.
Love you too. Happy Valentine, everyone. Next video, Chef Dom and Sean will be here. We're gonna be making our tomato pie or tomato pizza. It's out of this world. Thank you, and we'll see you guys next recipe.